Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove background in CapCut PC. So in order to remove a background in CapCut PC, you guys have to simply import three footages. The first one is I have imported the first background, and the second one is I have imported a person footage, and third one is I have imported a green screen footage. So in order to remove a background, so you guys have simply two options. The first one is chroma key option. The chroma key option is applicable only on the green screen footages, and the second one is the cutout option. The cutout option is only available for human footages. So I'm gonna tell you how you can remove the background of both footages. So let's go to the man portrait video. You guys can see here it is a video, but in order to remove the background of this video, you guys have to simply go to the above section of the remove BG section, and here you guys have to just simply click on this auto removal. So and you guys can be able to see that this option is only applicable only for human. So it will take some time, and here you guys can see it has cutted the background of human very perfectly, and you guys can adjust the size by just tapping on these corners, and just you guys can drag zoom in or zoom out by just dragging up and dragging down on anything, and you guys can see how much smoothly it has removed the background. And when it comes to the green screen footage, so you guys have to just simply tap on the green screen footage on the timeline. Then you guys have to just simply go to the video section and remove BG section, and here you guys have to just simply select the chroma key. Just you just have to apply the tick to the this, and you guys have to just simply select the color picker and select the green color. So after selecting the green color, you guys have to just simply increase the intensity and until you guys can get the perfect crop. And here you guys will be able to see our green screen footage has been successfully removed, and you guys will be able to see in this way you guys can easily remove the background of any elements in CapCut PC. So I hope these methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.